Hi everyone and welcome to Smart Culture Education. This is the place where we make learning simple, clear and engaging. If you're new here, don't forget to subscribe so you can join us on this journey of mastering maths, science and more.
Let's have a look at this example from the 2023 past paper. Simplify the following expression: 8r cubed multiplied by 2 times r squared raised to the power of 4 divided by 2 to the power of 4 multiplied by r squared raised to the power of 5. What we'll do first is we will multiply this 8 and this 2 in the numerator, and we will work out the value of 2 to the power of 4. Now, 8 times 2 is equal to 16. So we have 16r cubed multiplied by r squared raised to the power of 4. Now, what is 2 to the power of 4? What is 2 times 2 times 2 times 2? Now, 2 times 2 is equal to 4, times 2 is equal to 8, times 2 is equal to 16. So 2 to the power of 4 is equal to 16. So the denominator becomes 16 multiplied by r squared raised to the power of 5. So now the 16 above the line and below the line will cancel out. The 16 in the numerator and denominator will cancel out. So now we are left with the following: r cubed multiplied by r squared raised to the power of 4 divided by r squared raised to the power of 5. Now let's take a look at this very important exponent rule. A to the power of m raised to the power of n is equal to a to the power of n times n. So that means we are going to multiply the exponents of 2 and 4. We are going to multiply this 2 and the 5. Let's do that. So the numerator becomes r cubed. 2 times 4 is equal to 8. So it becomes r to the power of 8. Let's have a look at the denominator. 2 times 5 is equal to 10. So it becomes r to the power of 10. Now let's have a look at this. Add exponents when multiplying and subtract when dividing. But the key here is that you have to have the same base. Do we have the same base? We have r and r. We have to multiply them, so that means we are adding the exponents. 3 plus 8 is equal to 11. So that leaves us with r to the power of 11 divided by r to the power of 10. Now take a look at this. Subtract when dividing. So this is the exponent rule. A to the power of n divided by a to the power of n is equal to a to the power of m minus n. So if we apply this exponent rule, we will get the following: r to the power of 11 minus 10. That leaves us with r to the power of 1. And remember, we don't write the 1, so the final answer is just equal to r.
Thank you for watching today's video on Smart Culture Education. If you found it helpful, don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel. And if you want to stay updated, tap the notification bell so you never miss our next lesson. See you in the next video.